how many different numbers of 5-digit even numbers can be formed with the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so which means you have to get a 5-digit number. Now what makes a number even? So for example, if you have 1, 0, 1, is it even? No. Why? Because the last number is 1. But what about if it is 102? It's an even number, right? Because the unit place is occupied by even number. Now what about 250? It's also an even number. Now what about 025? Okay, 02, is it even number? Yes, but how many digits are there? It should be counted as one digit, right? Because 02 is number 2, which is a single digit number, right? So which means you have to be careful when there is 0. So you cannot have, so 0 is not available here in the first. So that is one condition. So 0 cannot get in first. Now 0 can get in here and it can make even number. So which means, so case 1 is the last number, a last digit is occupied by 0, so it becomes an even number, right? So from the available option, 0 is already at the end now, so you are directly putting 0, right? Now what are the options? And can any number come in the first? Yes, right? Now since this becomes even number, it doesn't matter what numbers get into the first 4 space. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options. So any 9 numbers can come in. Then one number gets in here, so any 8 numbers can come in. Any 7 numbers, the number channel is 6 numbers, any 6. So which means your answer here is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. So this is the value, 3024. Now is it the end? No, because we have case 2. Now what is case 2? So you have a 5-digit number, but in the 5-digit number it is not compulsory that last number has to be 0, right? It's just one condition, one case. The other case can be the last digit can be occupied by any even numbers which starts from 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So from the available digits, these are the even number. So how many options? So you have 4 options here, so which means you need to count 4 times. Then now, like I said, any number cannot get 0 cannot get in the first number. So from the 4 available even numbers, one of the even number, let's say 8, got inside the last digit space. So which means now how many numbers are available? 0 can't get in. So can 1 get in? Yes, 1. Or can 2 get in? Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cannot get in because it occupied the last space. Then you're left with 9. So how many numbers are available? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are available. Then let times. Now one of any of this number got inside the first. So now for the second space here, how many numbers are available? So in the second space, either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 9. Or do you remember the number 0 here? It was excluded at the beginning and it was also excluded at the end, but now you can include for the middle numbers. So now options, the second space can be filled up by either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 9 or 0. So how many options are available? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So times 8. Now one of the number will get in. So available options are 7 numbers. Then another digit gets in, and available numbers, the digits are 6 digits. So now your answer for this is 8 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 4. So which is 10,752. So the total even number digits are, so you add them. So it's 13,776 even numbers. Now for the second case, how many of 5-digit even numbers are divisible by 5? So you know that even numbers divisible by 5 means numbers which are divisible by 5 is, so you can just check. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20. So you will notice that the last digit number has to be either 5 or 0. So your even number cannot have 5, right? So this option is cut off, so which means even number with only 0 gets qualified for it to be divisible by 5. So you have already done. So you have case 1 which has even numbers with 0 in the unit place, right? So how many you have? 3. You have 3024. So this is the answer.